Hi guys, today I'm going to show you two recipes. I'm going to show you how to make char siu, but I'm also going to show you how to make marinated eggs, which you can use to top it off or top off many other dishes. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Here I have 4 boiled eggs, which I've already cooked and peeled. To this, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of garlic, 2 tablespoons of mirin, a sprinkle of white sugar, as well as about a 1/4 cup of soy sauce and 3 tablespoons of white vinegar. I'll then top it off with some water just to cover the eggs, and then I'm going to put a lid on that, and I'm going to set that aside in my fridge to marinate overnight, and these will be good for about 3 days. Now moving on to our char siu marinade. Into a container, I'm going to put in about 3 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, and then I'm going to go in with about a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. I just added the soy sauce into my hoisin bottle because it was almost empty and I want to get the rest of it out. To that, I'm going to add in a blend of Chinese spices. I'm going to go in with about 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, as well as about 1/2 cup of honey. I kind of eyeballed most of this, and feel free to do the same. I'm then going to go in with just a little bit of red food coloring to get that iconic look, and then I'm going to mix it all together with a spoon. Then I'm going to go in with my pork belly. My pork belly was still a little bit frozen when I did this recipe, but it's totally fine because we're going to set this in our fridge to marinate overnight. You just want to make sure that all of the pork belly is nice and covered in that marinade so it can evenly marinate overnight. So the next day, I have my roasting pan. I'm going to go ahead and line it with some tin foil, and then on top of it, I'm going to add in about 1/2 cup of water, and this is just going to help from the bottom not burning from the drippings too much. And then we're going to put the roasting rack back over top, and then we're just going to line our pork belly in the center, and we're going to roast this in the oven about 425, and you're going to do it anywhere from 15 to 20 minutes. It just depends on how much pork belly you have and how big you cut it. In the meantime, with my leftover marinade, I'm going to add in about 1/2 cup of honey, and we're going to be using this to baste our pork belly throughout the cooking process. I'm going to be doing that now, and I did it about 2 more times throughout the cooking process, making sure to turn it and get all sides. This is going to help as much of that glaze to stay stuck onto the pork belly. It's going to help the look shiny and super red, and it's going to make it super flavorful as well. So once done, I'm going to go ahead, let it cool so that I can touch it, and then I'm just going to cut it. And this is the final product. It's super juicy. It came out really well. The only thing I would change is I would cut off the pork skin, but leave all the meat and the fat, just because the skin is really chewy and hard to eat through. But yeah guys, that completes this recipe. Go ahead and plate it with some white rice. Don't forget about your eggs to garnish, and I just topped mine off with a little bit of herbs to just complete the overall look. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, hit the thumbs up, subscribe for new videos every week. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you know when I upload, and leave a comment below for what you guys want to see next time. And until next time guys, bye!